out of darkness. Oh Prabhu Ji, bless us with happiness.
Oh Lord Krishna, lead us out of darkness. Oh Prabhu Ji, bless us with happiness.
Jai Krishna, Jai Jai Krishna, Jai Krishna. Oh Lord Krishna, lead us out of darkness. Oh Prabhu Ji, bless us with happiness. You are my father, you are my mother, you are my only savior.
You are my father, you are my mother, you are my only savior.
Chanting your name morning and evening, Prabhu Ji, you are my everything.
Chanting your name morning and evening, Prabhu Ji, you are my everything.
Let me always be your devotee, Prabhu Ji.
Let me always be your devotee, Prabhu Ji.
At your lotus feet I want to be. At your lotus feet I want to be. Oh Lord Krishna, lead us out of darkness. Oh Prabhu Ji, bless us with happiness.
कलेष्टु सभागतितरघटा साजनम् वन्दना जलैश्वरवन्दनाय तधन्यनाथं जगदीश्वराय प्रेतमुक्ष कुरुते श्रीग्रम सर्वकुटुम्बशोकटूरनम रुद्रं मृत्युं विनयोगकरणे भक्तानां हितं तापहरतं तु देवा प्रेतमुक्ष कुरुते श्रीग्रम कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंदगोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुलं गयते गिरिम यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानंद माधव। हे ब्रज चंद्र मुकुंद कृष्णा नंदनंद घनश्याम चरण शरण प्रभु राखिए कृपा सिंदूर भगवान। अनादिनो देवा शंख चक्रा गदाधरा अक्षय पुंडरीकाक्षं प्रेतमोक्ष प्रधुर्भवा। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलो गोविंद भगवान की जय, यमराज भगवान की जय। दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे जब चार तरफ अंधियारा हो आशा का दूर किनारा हो जब चार तरफ अंधियारा हो आशा का दूर किनारा हो और कोई न केवल धारा हो और कोई न केवल धारा हो फिर तू ही तेरा पार करो जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे तू चाहे तू सब कुछ कर दे इसको भी अमृत कर दे तू चाहे तू सब कुछ कर दे इसको भी अमृत कर दे पूर्ण कर दे उनकी आशा पूर्ण कर दे उनकी आशा जो भी तेरा ध्यान करे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे तेरे दर्श को मैं तरस रहा तेरा नाम की जपते नाम रहा तेरा दर्शन को मैं तरस रहा तेरा नाम की माला जपते रहा भवसागर से मेरी नैया भवसागर से मेरी नैया कैसे मैं जाऊंगी नारा हो जय कृष्ण हरे श्री कृष्ण हरे दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय कृष्ण कृष्ण करे, श्री कृष्ण करे, दुखियों को दुख दूर करे। जय कृष्ण करे, श्री कृष्ण करे, जय कृष्ण करे, श्री कृष्ण करे, जय कृष्ण करे, श्री कृष्ण करे। This is a beautiful bhajan request from the family, and it's Aaye bhi akela, jaye bhi akela. Do din ka zindagi hai, do din ka mela. My dear ones, we came into this universe, we came into this world, and we can do whatever we think of. We can do whatever we want at this point in time. But when the string ready for pull, no one can save us. So Bhagwan is reminding us as we came into this universe, we have the human structure, we have the human body, and we must use it for the right purpose. And the right purpose is to go back to our Creator. And as we use it for our right purpose, my dear ones, only there and then we can able to reach to our Creator. So because of the dedication, the attitude of our dear brother Vishal, who is leaving each and every one of us at this moment, because of living a life, living a religious and purpose life, we are here to make petition to God and ask God to pave the path for him. So there must not be any obstacles in his path. आए भी अकेला, जाए भी अकेला, दो दिन का जिंदगी है, दो दिन का मेला। आए भी अकेला, जाए भी अकेला, दो दिन का जिंदगी है, दो दिन का मेला। आए भी अकेला। जिनके लिए है तूने महल सजाए, मतलब कि यार सारे सभी है पराए। जिनके लिए है तूने महल सजाए, मतलब कि यार सारे सभी है पराए। इनके लिए है कितना तूने दुख देला, दो दिन का जिंदगी है, दो दिन का मेला। आए भी अकेला, जाए भी अकेला, दो दिन का जिंदगी है, दो दिन का मेला। धरना, पाप की अगन में खुद को काहे को ढकेला। 2 दिन का जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला, आए भी अकेला, जाए भी अकेला। 2 दिन का जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला। हरि की शरण तू हो जा, ध्यान लगा ले, जीवन में लेना फिर ये जीवन को पाले। हरि की शरण तू हो जा, ध्यान लगा ले, जीवन में लेना फिर ये जीवन को पाले। केला जगत का सारा, केला जगत का सारा, उसे नहीं है केला। 2 दिन का जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला, आए भी अकेला, जाए भी अकेला। 2 दिन का जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला, 2 दिन का जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला, 2 दिन का जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला। As we came into this world is like a fairground. Anything we can do, anything we can perform, but at the time of death, there is no one to save us. We have to take our leave. So my dear ones, the recommendation for each and every one of us, as I said last night, as a Hindu, live your life as a Hindu, and as a Christian, live your life as a Christian, and as a Muslim, live your life and live it for God. Don't live it because you came into this world and you will do whatever you want to do. Because of the life that our brother was living, that is why each and every one of us are here to bid him farewell in the name of Bhagwan. So my dear ones, as we continue our singing session, I'm going to ask the Kirtan Mandali to lead us. Sister Nalini, followed by Sister Sonia, Uncle Ramdat.
करके स्वीकारे प्रभु मेरी गीत अमर कर रो, करके स्वीकारे प्रभु मेरी गीत अमर कर रो। बन जाओ मीत मेरे, ये प्रेम अमर कर रो।
जो तो मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदी कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। जो तो मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदी कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। सुबह शाम बोल बंदी कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। जो तो मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदी कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। सुबह शाम बोल बंदी
कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा।
कृष्ण नाम पावन पावन, कृष्ण नाम प्यारा प्यारा। जो न बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा, जग में वो हारा हारा। कृष्ण नाम पावन पावन, कृष्ण नाम प्यारा प्यारा। जो न बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा, जग में वो हारा हारा। मन कामते अंधियारा, बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा। मन कामते अंधियारा, बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा।
सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा।
जिसको मिले ना पीरा, सुख का मरण क्या जाने। जो न खाए कृष्णा कृष्णा, नित्य का मरण क्या मारे। जिसको मिले ना पीरा, सुख का मरण क्या जाने। जो न खाए कृष्णा कृष्णा, नित्य का धर्म क्या मारे। चाहे अगर उजियारा, बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा। चाहे अगर उजियारा, बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा। सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। जो तो मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा, जो तो मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा। सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा। सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा।
देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या होगी भगवान कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या होगी भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज न बदला, चांद न बदला, ना बदला रे आसमान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या होगी भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। आया समय भरा बेढंगा, आज आदमी बना लफंगा। कहीं पे झगड़ा, कहीं पे झगड़ा, नाच रहा नर होकर नंगा। चल और कपट की हाथों अपना बीच रहा ही महान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या होगी भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। राम के भक्त रहीम के भंडे, रचते आज परी के फंडे। कितनी ये माकर ये अंडे, देख लिए इनकी भी डंडे। इन्हीं की काली कर टूटी से खुले गुप्त समान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। वो देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या होगी भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। जो हम आपस में पकड़ते, बने हुई क्यों खेल बिगड़ते। कहे लाख गराऊ झरते, क्यों ये बिछड़े मन में बिछड़ते। टूट फूट कर क्यों रोती प्यारी होती महान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या होगी भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज न बदला, चांद न बदला, ना बदला रे आसमान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। वो कितना बदल गया इंसान, वो कितना बदल गया इंसान, वो कितना बदल गया इंसान।
Devotees, join me in this wonderful bhajan. Today, as we look at our brother, we ask ourselves, why, Lord? Why you had to take our brother or a father or a friend? This bhajan tells us, O cage bird, no one knows your pains and sufferings. You appear silent, but inwardly you are loved by so much people. My brother Vishal, I never thought I would have come to Barbados to sing Pinjare Ke Panchi for you, bro. As you bid farewell today, we love you and we'll always cherish the great times we had. Pinjare ke panchi re तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, पिंजरे के पंछी रे तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, बाहर से तू खामोश रहे तू, बाहर से तू खामोश रहे तू, बीकर बीकर रोए रे, ओ बीकर बीकर रो, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को। कह न सके तू अपनी कहानी, तेरी भी पंछी क्या जिंदगानी रे, कह न सके तू अपनी कहानी, तेरी भी पंछी क्या जिंदगानी रे, बिना तेरी कचाल की आंसू में कलम हो, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, पिंजरे के पंछी रे
ओ तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को,
ओ छुप के उड़ोने वाले
रखना छिपा के दिल के चाले,
छुप के उड़ोने वाले
रखना छिपा के दिल के चाले,
ये पत्थर
का देश पे पकड़े कोई न तेरा हो,
तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, हो तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, पिंजरे के पंछी रे तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को, तेरा दर्द न जाने को।
मोर बोले चकोर बोले आज राधा की नैनों की शाम डोले।
Now? Okay. After, yes. Yeah. Yeah.
मोर बोले चकोर बोले आज राधा की नैनों की शाम डोले। मोर बोले चकोर बोले आज राधा की नैनों की शाम डोले। मोर बोले शाम मेरी फीकी फीकी अखियों का गजरा वही मेरी सुनी सुनी बहियों का गजरा। शाम मेरी फीकी फीकी अखियों का गजरा वही मेरी सुनी सुनी बहियों का गजरा। मेरा जीवन के रस में खुमार भोले। मोर बोले चकोर बोले आज राधा की नैनों की शाम डोले। मोर बोले धुन से कन्हैया ने तुझको पुकारा मुरली की धुन में किया है इशारा। धुन से कन्हैया ने तुझको पुकारा मुरली की धुन में किया है इशारा। मेरे सपनों की बीना की तार बोले। मोर बोले चकोर बोले आज राधा की नैनों की शाम डोले। मोर बोले चकोर बोले आज राधा की नैनों की शाम डोले। आज राधा की नैनों की शाम डोले। आज राधा
की नैनों में शाम डोले।
सीता के राम राधा के श्याम मीरा के गिरधरना गरसूर के घनश्याम।
सीता के राम
राधा के श्याम
मीरा के गिरधर नागर सूर के घनश्याम। सीता के राम राधा के श्याम।
महलों का सुख चोर सिया ने राम कथा चलिभाया।
महलों का सुख चोर सिया ने राम के साथ निभाया।
लक्ष्मी ने रण रूप सिया का जग का पाप मिटाया।
लक्ष्मी ने रूप सिया का जग का पाप मिटाया।
बना दिया था इस
के गिरधर नागर सूर के घनश्याम सीता के राम राधा के श्याम मीरा के गिरधर नागर सूर के घनश्याम सीता के राम राधा के श्याम. So my dear ones, I think for now we're going to ease up here for now, and I'm going to ask the members and the family friends, those who would make the speech for this morning, and it is going to be where our dear brother, Vishal brother, is going to give the eulogy on behalf of him at this point in time. So without no hesitation, I ask our dear Bhaiya to take over from there.
My name is Amar, and I'm Vishal Young's brother. And I will be doing his eulogy today. Today, as we gather to honor and remember the life of Vishal Wakaran, a son, a father, a brother, a husband, an uncle, a brother-in-law, a nephew, a cousin, and a friend. Above all, he was a presence that left a lasting mark on everyone's fortune enough to know him. Let me begin by sharing a brief reflection on Vishal's life. Vishal was born in Guyana on December 29, 1978 to his parents Devachan Awataran and Vivati. And then from a young age of 6, he was lovingly raised to the care and guidance of his stepmother Munwati Awataran. He was the eldest sibling to Major from Canada and Amar and the teacher in Guyana. He was a devoted husband to Nadira Singh Awataran and a proud father to his daughter Shalina and Jalena. He was also a beloved Mahu to Varun and Nishan and a cherished Chacha to Nadia. Vishal was the son-in-law to Patsy Samaru and Ishwar Singh, a brother-in-law to Indira, Lisa, Adrian, and Harry, and a loving uncle to Anissa and Asisha. Growing up in Guyana, Vishal attended Leeward Secondary School, and at the age of 19, he made a bold decision to migrate to Barbados in 1999 to build a better future. Vishal began his working life in Barbados as an agricultural worker. Through hard work and determination, he moved into construction and eventually became a contractor at Sandy Hotel. But beyond all of this, Vishal had a dream, a vision that lived deeply within him. He wanted to become a businessman. He wanted to create something of his own, and he did. With passion and dedication, Vishal created Flatzone Bar, a place that became more than just a business. It became a home away from home for many, a space where Guyanese and Barbadian communities could come together, share laughter, forget their worries, and enjoy life. That was Vishal's gift, bringing people together. Vishal was a joyful soul. He loved life, and he lived it fully. He found happiness in simple moments, being around friends, sharing a drink, telling stories, and spreading love. He was generous, kind-hearted, and always willing to give his best to others. He was the kind of person who could walk into a room and instantly make it feel like her. Not by trying, but simply being himself. His kindness was quiet but powerful. It showed in the way he listened, the way he supported others, and the way he made people feel seen, valued, and welcome. Vishal also carried a spirit of resilience. Life was not always easy, but he faced it with strength and determination. He showed us that even during difficult times, there is always room for laughter, for compassion, and for connection. Those who know Vishal remember the moment that mattered most. The shared laughter, the conversation, the time he showed up when it counted, these memories are now his legacy. They live on in all of us, in the love he gave. Saying goodbye is never easy, especially to someone who meant so much. But even as we breathe, we must also celebrate his life. A life that, though shorter than we wish, was deeply meaningful and impactful. Let us honor Vishal not only in our memories, but in how we live moving forward. Let us be kinder, let us support one another, let us cherish the moment we have. Because that is what Vishal did every day. Rest peacefully, Vishal. You will never be forgotten. Your life lives on in all of us, and your motto, to give always and to receive from a loving, kind heart. Lastly, on behalf of our family, I want to express our sincere gratitude to everyone that shared their condolences and their wishes toward the Shaw family during this difficult time, and especially everyone that take the time out of their busy schedule to travel to Barbados to give their final farewell toward the Shaw. And also to all the individuals that helped in all the preparation during the wait for the past few nights. Thank you very much. One love.
Good morning, everyone. Today, Today I stand here on behalf of my sister to honor our father, Vishal, a man who meant the world to us. For those who don't know me, I'm Shalina, and I'm proud to be his eldest daughter. Thank you all for being here today and supporting my family. My dad was a really caring person. He was the best dad my sister and I could ever ask for. He meant so much to me, and I truly appreciate everything he has done for us throughout our lives. What I will always remember most is how he made us feel. He made us feel loved and safe and supported no matter what. That is something I will carry with me for the rest of my life. The fact that he will not be here with us anymore hurts my soul. It's a pain that's hard to put in words because he wasn't just our dad. He was someone we looked up to and loved with all our heart. Dad, I love you and we will miss you so, so much. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Dad, you will never be forgotten. You will forever live in our hearts. Rest in peace, Dad.
Okay, just ask if anyone want to make any small tribute to Vishal is welcome and give their tribute.
Good morning, all. I am Reverend Arlette Waterman of the Methodist Church. I met Vishal 4 years ago when he moved in next to me. And from the very first day, he came over, introduced himself and his family. And thereafter, you would have believed that we had known each other for our entire life. His motto, as we said, was one love. And I recall only last Christmas when he was doing some painting to the wall, he said to the workmen, "This is my family in Barbados. If I need sugar, I can go to her." And so we had the entire family, we had a deep connection, and when there was anything happening, I could expect to get a WhatsApp from Vishal saying something's happening, I saw something around, or I would send him a WhatsApp and Nadira to our grand to let them know what is happening. I'm really deeply moved by the loss. I know Vishal was a person who never segregated. I'm Christian and he's Hindu, and no one would have even seen any difference in our relationship or behavior. And so to the family, when I heard the loss on Monday night, I was there and I'm still there, and I invite them at any time to call upon me. I will be there for you, and we shall continue. We will miss him, but that support is still there. I ask God's blessings over the entire family. God bless you all.
A blessed afternoon, everyone. I know Vishal and Nadira for a long time now. I work part-time with them in an old crop over, and Vishal always encouraged me to do more with my business, because I have a business. And he said, "Alicia, how much you did this week?" I said, "Only 3 bags, increased to 4. I did the 4. "Okay, you need to do 5 bags of flour now." I said, "Vishal, that's too much. Don't ever tell me that. Do it." You? Okay, Vishal, you had to always take his advice, and it was never wrong. And to see all of us here today to celebrate his life and death. He was loved, respect, kind, genuine, and I pray that God will look over the family. Nadira, I know you have a good mind and a good heart, so you will get through by the grace of God. We love you.
Hello, everybody. I'm Vishal's first brother-in-law. I didn't really prepare a speech today, so hopefully I have it all up in here. When I first met Vishal was 2012, and he showed me the love like a real brother and a real family. In a lot of ways, he was more brother than my own brother, and more family than my own cousins. Vishal changed me for the better. He made me a better person. I absorbed some of the traits from him. So I think everybody in our life that we meet, we take a bit of them. So I've taken a bit of Vishal, and it made me better. Life is full of surprises, good and bad. That Monday morning started off like any other work day, but it sure didn't end like the way we thought it would. We got one of those bad surprises. But hopefully we'll, in time, be strong. We'll learn to laugh again, and we'll remember this man. Good soul. So, until that day comes, I'll see you again.
Good morning, everyone.
For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Zeke Rogers. They call me the Trini Bajanese. There's a Trini mixed with a Bajan, mixed with a Guyanese, a name that was given to me by two of my friends. One is here, Kumar, and my dearly departed brother, Vishal. I have over 20 years of experience in business development, marketing, and entertainment. So you would think with over 20 years of experience, it will prepare you for something like this. It simply doesn't. What I want to say, however, is two words. The first word is honor. We're all here to honor Vishal. We're all here because we love him. He left so much with us. So in honoring him, I want us to live the life that he always wanted us to live. Be happy. The business advice he gave many of us, use it, continue to grow, honor him by becoming more and more successful. The friendships he helped us to form. We have an entertainment fraternity here at Flash Zone, brothers, friends that have become brothers, DJ Indian, DJ Bon, DJ Dex, Pumpkin, DJ Cartel, all of us, DJ Post, J Post. Yours surely Penthouse 2.0, and I want our entertainment fraternity to continue that brotherhood, continue spending that love and that light that Vishal would have always wanted. And in that being said, we have to talk about legacy. Let us not allow what he has worked so hard to build to fall down. To Nadira and his family, I want you all to know that we love you all. We're going to be here to support you all in whatever decisions that you all make. We're going to be here for you, and we're going to honor Vishal and continue his legacy. Okay, so you all have a good morning as best as possible, and to DJ Sean and the entire family, let's continue to honor Vishal's legacy. Namaste, Ramayan, Salam Alaikum, good afternoon, morning, sorry. I could say so much, but as Penthouse said, let us celebrate our brother legacy. When I first came to Barbados in 2018, I got the opportunity to meet Vishal via a guy by the name of K.I. Prasad, and I was looking for a place to just come and enjoy and have a great time. And I met Vishal, and it seems like Vishal knew me probably over 10, 15 years ago. That is how Vishal is. He will come out and give you all his happiness, and he did that, even though he may not know me. And we became that brotherhood. He come and he say, Vishal, I want to start sponsoring your program in Florida and do something different. And each and every year I'll come and do a go event, I'll come and do some event here. And the last word I heard from Vishal before I head for my vacation in Toronto, he was like, Sean, I have so much to tell you what I want to work on this year for not only our Indian culture, but to support all our Caribbean brothers and sisters, in Barbados, in Trinidad, and making sure this whole community is like one. And that was a person he is. Let us share his legacy. His motto is one love, and let us continue show each and every one that we love everybody. And I hope and pray that the Almighty God give Sister Nadira and all the family here happiness. Sister Nadira, I just want you to know that even though my brother have passed, may this love, may this bond, may this togetherness continue prosper in time to come, and your two beautiful daughter. Vishal, may your soul rest in peace, my brother.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sion Hollingsworth. I get to know Vishal through my brother Vishnu with the master here. Vishnu is my roommate. And my home is like a home to Vishal, because where Vishal passed is right in front of my gate. That evening I come home, I ask if Vishal gone. I know something that's gone and his vehicle leave. And I checked up on the vehicle. And I checked my brother Vishal. There is no life. He said, my brother gone. we're developed a relationship that nothing actually can separate us. What Vishal actually show is genuine love from his heart. Genuine love from his heart. He don't fake it. That's real. I finish a very spectacular work for Vishal in Sandy Lane. That when the certain leadership in Sandy Lane look at that work, they highly praise how they give that work. Vishal, I can't think anything bad or anything bad about Vishal. My home is like a home to Vishal. Vishal reach out to me, I reach out to Vishal anytime. He call upon me on any time if you want anything done immediately where work is concerned. And Vishal loss is a loss to me. So I just want to send my condolences to Nadira, his 2 daughters, and the rest of the family. Dear loss, Vishal gone is a loss for me as well.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Mic test.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Uganda Consulate, we would like to express our sincere condolences to the family of Vishal, his wife, his children, and the extended family. Vishal's interaction with the consulate spans over many, many years. We've always had a very pleasant interaction with Vishal whenever he visits the consulate. And his motto of one love is not just mere words, it's something that he embodied. Whenever you visit his establishment, you felt that love. Whenever you interacted with Vishal, he always ends a conversation with that slogan. And that is something that I would really like persons to remember about him. He spread that message of one love, and that is something that we should continue to remember about Vishal. We had an interaction with Vishal just a couple weeks ago. He came into the office, and as usual, very cheerful, very upbeat, always spreading a positive message to everyone. And that's what we remember about him, and we really want the family to hold on to the precious moments that you would have shared, the cherished moments, and know that he would always be with you in spirit.
Good afternoon, everyone. Aside from the consulate, I have known Vishal personally for some years. He would refer to us as the crew, comprising of about 7 persons. To name a few: Marla, Debbie, Shelley, Rishma, so many others. He always ensured we had a grand time. Even after the business was closed, he would accommodate us within the confines of the bar, playing the music, his favorites, our favorites, and we indulged. One thing we would have recognized from all of that is that across the miles of Barbados, Vishal has definitely bring together not one nationality, but many nationalities. His motto of one love, giving back, and kindness would forever remain with us. We have learned, we have loved, and we have lost a great, pure, and genuine soul. Vishal, to you, my friend and brother, from my crew, we say, sleep in peace and rise in glory. One love always. To Nadira and family, we extend our deepest condolences, and we know you are strong. You're a tough person, and you will survive. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the adopted sister of Vishal. I have a close relationship with Vishal, and it is very hard for me to say goodbye and farewell today, Vishal. You're no longer around, but I will still be there for your family. One love, Vishal. Rest in peace.
Hi, good afternoon. For those who know me and for those who don't, I'm Shama. Vishal is like a brother to me. Nadira is like a sister. You always say, my home is your home, and your home is mine as well. A few weeks ago, Vishal called me, and he said to me, my sister, we're going on a family trip. I said, sure. So Monday, it was a hard pill to swallow. Couldn't believe, still can't believe what I'm seeing today. Vishal has love in him that would live on forever. And he shared that with a lot of us. He did a lot of changes in people's lives, and I hope that a lot of us take that love and carry it with us and continue to give the support in his legacy. Nadira, Shalena, Jelly, I will always be here for my brother, family, which is you guys. No matter what, you have a next family, and that is me. I will always be here to support you through this time. So for everyone who came here today, I would like to say thank you on behalf of Flash Zone, on behalf of Nadira and the entire family. Thank you so much for the support, and hope let us continue to make his legacy be one of the best. One love.
Mic test. Good morning, everybody. From my that is filled with so many words every day. Today, I am basically speechless. To stand here today to mourn the passing of my good friend, my brother. He was family. I met Vishal 4 years ago through a mutual friend, Ramses Brown. And from then, the first day we clicked, we were brothers. We were very humble, very down to earth, and that's what made us family. I never knew that the week before when we spoke and we met in Flashstone Bar that it would have been the last time. And it breaks my heart in a million pieces, and I'm not a person to really cry, but it really hurt my heart to see my brother in that state, knowing that I can't say, well, Vishal, what we could do next? What's the next plan? You know, we had so many plans, so many things to do together, and it's really, really hurting my heart. But one thing is for sure is that we will continue that love amongst each other, whether black, whether white, whether Indian, together, because he always spread love amongst each other. It didn't matter where you're from, what country you're from. It was no racism at all at Flashstone Bar. And we will continue that legacy for as long as we live. My condolences to Nadira and the entire family, from DJ Indian, Orlando Newton from Rise, and everybody at Flashstone Bar. My condolences.
Okay, so that is the end of the proceedings here. Oh, okay.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the staff of Flash Zone, we would like to extend our condolences to Nadira and the rest of the family. And thank you all for coming. We will miss Mr. Vishal very much. And we'll also share the one love still, keep the love going for all the customers, families, and friends of Mr. Vishal. Thanks much from the staff of Flash Zone.
Thank you. So this ends the further proceedings here at Flash Zone. We're going to be heading to Coral Ridge next. So at this juncture, I will hand over to the Pandit. No? You want to say too?
Sitaram. Sitaram, everybody. On behalf of the Welch's Hindu Temple, I would just like to say our deepest condolences to this family. Vishal was always supportive to the temple, beyond what everybody knows. They always ask if we need anything, what do you want? Vishal will be there to drop off stuff even before the temple door is open. Sometimes when I get there to open the door, the stuff is already there. You know, so they're very, very supportive to the Hindu temple. And all I can say, I've known Vishal for about 24 years. And since that time I've known him, it was always smiles and happiness, nothing different. And Sister Nadira as well, I've known her about the same time. All I can say, on behalf of the Hindu Temple, we will always be there to support you in whatever way we can. We're always there. So the Lord will give you the strength to go through this. Thank you.
My dear ones, sound check. Thanks to all those wonderful people who gave their condolence to this beautiful family at this point in time. So my dear ones, we're going to wrap up now. I'm going to ask those who sit, everybody can please stand up as we bid farewell, the last prayers. Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaye Namo Namaha Om Anadinano Deva Shankachakra Gadadhara Akshay Pundarikaksham Pretamuksha Pradhurbhava Pretamuksha Pradhurbhava Pretamuksha Pradhurbhava Om Shanti 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 Hari Om प्रेम से बोलो गोविंद भगवान की जय यमराज भगवान की जय हरे राम 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्णा हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्णा हरे हरे